Hey everyone. Hi Holly.
Hello.
What are we opening today?
So we're opening the Hello Kitty and Friends Choco Cat. I think it's from the Hello Kitty, I'm pretty sure. I don't really watch Hello Kitty, so I won't really know. But I got some time zone after multiple tries of trying to get it.
What's this one?
This is the K-pop Demon Hunters Mirror from the K-pop. It's a pretty good movie actually, you should go watch it. But there's obviously all the ones you can get. My friend gave me this one. But yeah, we're probably going to open them today because I'm quite curious. This one.
Cool.
It's cool. It's got a little stand. Oh, the body moves a bit.
What is that? Is that a...
That's her blade thingy that she
Oh.
on the thing. So we've got that one.
They're pretty cute.
They are. Yep. And then I've also got, now we've got opening this one. I think this one's really cute. Just because it's kind of like a cat. But I wouldn't have mind getting the frog. But yeah, it's a bit. It's a little cat. So this one's not as like movable because not they do move the hell. Never knew that. But there's that one. The little earrings, that's pretty cute. But yeah.
It's way shorter, right?
It is because it's a cat. It's a cat.
Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.